Do it.
Okay, y'all, no, it's fine. I'm just gonna show you a quick demonstration of the SonoSim so you know what to do, what I need you guys to do this weekend so you can start turning in images to me. Okay? So, focus on the screen. All right, so first I'm gonna click on my SonoSim icon, and then it's gonna ask me to ensure the probe is connected. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug that into my computer, and then hit continue, and it's gonna take a second. Just be patient. All right, so once that clears, you're going to click on Sono Simulator, and then it's going to want you to calibrate your probe. So this is my indicator on my probe, so I'm going to have it to my left, put it on my gel pad here, and then click OK. Let it do its thing. Just click OK for this first point, and then you could play with the circle if you want, but don't worry about doing that. Next thing you're going to do is click on Case List, and then you're going to select Vascular, and then select Basic Aorta IVC. Go to Case 2. I like this one a lot better than Case 1. And then just click OK. So we have a dual screen here. I don't necessarily need to see the dual screen for myself, so to get rid of that, click Reduce, and that's going to give you the single screen. The other thing I like to do is change my patient position because I normally would not be scanning the patient standing this way. So I'm going to click change position twice. So now I'm standing at the feet of the patient, which is more natural to me because normally I would be standing here. So now you're just going to begin your aorta protocol. So if I'm at this midline point, my first picture is going to be aorta sag prox. I'm going to turn my indicator up towards my patient's head. All right, so immediately it's already needs to be recalibrated. So luckily that happens very quickly. So if you have to recalibrate, which you have to do multiple times with this thing, just click on Calibrate. It's going to have you turn your indicator again, then click OK, and it's going to reset. So now I'm going to start with my aorta prox. So I'm going to go sagittal and find my aorta. It's a little wonky today. You really don't need the gel pad. No, that's not working. All right, I'm going to reset it. Recalibrate. Okay. Now I'm going to try it again. There it is. Aorta, sag prox. So if you want to adjust your depth, you can click up and down on these arrows here for depth. If you want to adjust your gain, up and down. And once you get it to where you like it, so here's my, it's really not working out that great today. Once I'm there, you're going to hit freeze. Okay, and the next is going to be annotate. So click on annotate, come to your annotation box, and I'm going to type aorta sag prox. And then you're going to hit save. Makes that little sound. And then I'm going to measure. So to measure, you're going to click on caliper, basic, length, and then measure your prox aorta, and then hit save again. Okay, after that, unfreeze it, and you're going to go to your second image. So I probably need to recalibrate. I'm just going to do one more image so you guys have an idea. So my second image is going to be transverse aorta prox. So I can see my transverse aorta here. And when I'm ready, I'm going to freeze it, annotate, aorta transverse prox, save, and again measure. And save. So on this particular case, once I get more distal, I'm going to have to change my position. So here's position 1, here's position 2. So I'll change to position 2 if I need to go more distal on the aorta. So here you can see aorta mid, here's your superior mesenteric artery. But if I go sagittal and try to get to the bifurcation, it will not let me go that far. I can only see distal aspect. So when you guys get to the distal, you can see I cannot sweep down to bifurcation. So once you get your distal images and measurements, then you can stop there. So just practice doing that. Once you exit, those images are going to send over to where I can view everybody's progress. So this little demo to let you know what I need you to do. Try to get that done this weekend so I can start viewing those images hopefully